Hey traders, Tad Devan here. Today I'm going to talk about the pound Aussie with the pound breakout prediction and a really good swing trading opportunity and how you can make a lot of pips coming up here in the near future.
One of the currency pairs that I've been following lately is the GBP AUD, also known as the pound Aussie. This currency pair has a potential for a significant amount of pips to be captured over the next weeks, and perhaps even into the coming months. If you look at my 2-hour chart, we can see that the market is in this down AB swing, and it recently had a retracement at a 382. The market has since then broken out. It's making lower lows, lower highs, just recently made a lower low followed by a lower high, and we're looking for the market to push down, going after not just this D extension, but additional D extensions as the market continues to push bearish. Let me show you how we got to this point. We're first going to look at a monthly chart. One of the things Josh has been talking about in the monthly chart is we're looking for this to either break out bullish or bearish. Now, the first thing you can see on my monthly chart is I have a bear crown. We have a left tip, a center tip, and a right tip. The market this week and this month is forming an evening star, which is a bearish candlestick formation. So the market is looking to push further down. As I go to my weekly chart, which is controlled by the monthly chart, we can see that the market is in a down AB, has retraced to a 236 retracement, but the nice thing I like on this is it's bouncing off the back side of this broken down trend line. If I extend this out, you can see this down trend line that goes over here, which was a former counter down trend line, and we're getting a bounce off the back side of it as resistance. So we have that going our way for a bearish push. When I go into my daily chart, you can see that the market has been pushing down in what is called the down push zone. It retraced to a deep 5-0 retracement. There's my Fibonacci 5-0. Here is a lot of resistance in that area, which also is past support, seen here, acting as resistance seen here. And the market has broken through my outer uptrend line right there and bounced off and formed a bearish engulfing candlestick back on February 1st. Now, the market is trending bearish. If you look back on my 2-hour chart, you're going to see that it's moving in a nice downtrend. It's making lower lows and lower highs. Now, using a swing trading strategy, which is entering at C's and exiting at D's, you can see if you sold right here on this very large candlestick with the big wick, shortly thereafter is a bearish engulfing candlestick, you'd be up in profit right now about 235 pips. There is ample opportunity to continue to sell as the market pushes down. It's below our downtrend line here. It's making lower lows and lower highs. And the simple thing to do is just look to trade counter trend line breaks as the market continues to push to the D. An example of that would be recently in the past, if I'm trading counter trend line breaks, there's a counter trend line break looking to enter there. If you miss that opportunity, there was another one right here. If you missed that opportunity, you had one there. Recently, there was one here. And just now, setting up on the market, there is another opportunity to trade a counter trend line break. Once the market hits its D extension, which is there, a new AB will be drawn. So this would be my new AB. And then you can continue looking to trade counter trend line breaks all the way down to the D extensions. That is an excellent swing trading opportunity on the pound Aussie.